What's going on, guys? This is Angelo Stegner. We're here doing some derivative equations, and I came across this problem number 35 in my math book, and page 167. And it says, find the slope of the tangent line to the curve y equals 9 minus 2x squared at the point 2, 1. Well, the first thing we want to do with this problem is set up our formula. So our formula with the derivatives of a number minus another number would be f of the derivative of x equals the derivative of 9 minus the derivative of 2x squared. Okay, so now that we got our formula all set up, we want to go back to the original equation, y equals 9 minus 2x squared, and we want to plug it in, basically. So we have the derivative of 9 minus derivative of 2x squared. Now, as we all know, derivative of a constant is 0, so that would be 0. And then minus the derivative of 2x squared. So we would use the power rule for derivatives. We would take the 2 and drag it right in front over there. So it would be 2 times 2x, and then you subtract 1 from this power right here. That would make it 1. Now we just simplify this out, make it a little bit neater. So then it would be minus 4x. Now what we want to do with this, we're not completely finished yet. To make it, we have to make it equal to x. So what we want to do is with this point, we want to plug in the x value to negative 4x right over here. So we want to plug that in right there. So that would give us negative 4 times 2. That would give it negative 8. That's our x value. That's also our slope. Now, we can move on to actually finding the equation of the tangent line by plugging it into the formula y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, where m would be our slope, x and y values over here. That's our slope equation. Now, what we want to do with this is use our slope that we found earlier and actually plug it into this equation over here. So then you would get y minus y1 equals m, which is our slope, found slope over here, negative 8 times x minus x1. Now, the way that we would figure this out is we would actually take our first point that we selected, 2, 1, and plug it straight into this equation to figure out the slope. Now, what we would do is y1 would be 1, x1 would be 2. Y minus y1 would be 1 equals negative 8, x minus 2. Now, simplify it out. Y minus 1 equals negative 8x plus 16. All right, now we got to get y by itself to make it a little bit neater and to actually show that it is the slope formula. Take 1, add it to the other side, and then you get y equals negative 8x plus 17. And that would be your equation of a tangent line.